Okay, so percentiles basically tell us what percent of data is less than a certain value, or what amount of our data is less than a certain value. In this case, if you're given percentiles and you were given a percentile question, they could ask you to find the median, the first quartile, the third quartile, or they could just give you any percentage between 0 and 100. Okay, if they gave you the median, that would correspond to 50%. Basically, 50% of your values are less than the median. They give you the first quartile, that corresponds to 25%. Basically, 25% of your values are less than your first quartile. Your third quartile is 75%. Basically, the values, 75% of the values are less than your third quartile. Okay, when we're trying to do this, we basically do this using our index formula. Okay, the first thing you have to find is your index, which is equal to n minus 1 times your percentage, which we can write as p, or p over 100. Okay, once we calculate this index, we are going to use this index to basically find the number that corresponds to our median first quartile, third quartile, or any other percentage that they give us. Let's take a look at a quick example.